there, saxophone players. It's Mrs. Tasha Morelli here to help you with your next couple of notes of your scale. So far, you've learned the notes G, A, and B. The next note in your scale is right above B, which is C, because we're going in alphabetical order, right? Going from B to C is pretty easy. C is just your middle finger. So you go G, A, B. Now switch to just your middle finger and take your B finger off. There's your C. Switching from B to C, you have to remember to take your B finger off. Otherwise, what do you get? That's right, you get an A. So here we go. We're going to go G, A, B, C. We're going to do that one more time. And as you play, I want you to think of the letter name that you are playing. Starting with G. Now let's think about which letter is going to be higher than C. It's the next letter in the alphabet, which is D. And D is a little bit more complicated, but it's not incredibly hard. You're going to put down 1, 2, 3 on top, and finally we're going to use our other hand, 1, 2, 3, no pinkies. The other thing that you need to remember to do in order to get D out that is higher than the C is you need to push your octave key with your thumb. You don't need to have your thumb way on it. You can just kind of tip it with your thumb. So your thumb is on the rest, on the dot there, and you just tip that. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the octave key. Now hold all of these down. Let's just do D by itself. Now the switch from C to D is a little bit more complicated because you're going from just middle finger with no octave key to all of your fingers plus the octave key in the back. Let's try that together. We're going to go from C, which is just your middle finger, to D, which is all 6 fingers plus the octave key. Here we go. C. Put down all 6 fingers and the octave key. Let's switch back and forth. C, D, C, D. Now we're going to play your scale from low to high. We'll do it one note at a time, and I'll say the letter name before we play each note. Starting with G. Here we go. A. B. C. D. Don't forget the octave key. Now don't move. We're going to play backwards. We're going to go D, C, B, A, G. C, let go of that octave key. B. A. G. Practice going up and down your 5-note scale to get used to moving the thumb into the octave key position and using all of your fingers. The more that you practice this scale pattern, the easier you're going to find the next couple of pages because there are scale patterns in a lot of these songs. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. I'll see you at your next lesson.